going to be showing you Jojo Siwa's cha-cha routine from Dancing with the Stars. In this routine, we're going to be breaking it down into 3 parts.
Part 1 is connected. Part 2 is side by side. And part 3 is oppositional footwork.
Titus will be showing Jojo's part, and I'll be showing Jenna's part.
Okay, we begin with some split Cuban breaks. Leaders are on the right, followers on the left. We come through, we get a rock, replace, side. The foot's gonna come through again, rock, replace, and side. Now, it's a New Yorker. Leaders left, followers right. We're gonna add a ronde, circle that foot, back, replace, and sidestep. From here, we're gonna switch our way back on. We're gonna walk through, leaders left, followers right, and then tap. Now we have a 3-step turn. So it's going to be side, together, side. From here, we walk back, leaders left, followers right. It's time for a cuddle. So we're gonna lift that left arm, leaders, and there we are. We're giving our partner a cuddle. Now, we're gonna have the follower first go under, and then the leader is gonna go under. From here, we're pressing towards, leader side left, follower side right, and then everybody closes their feet, boom! And now everybody is on the left foot for side by side, section 2 coming. Let's learn that cuddle with a little more detail. So, leaders, you're gonna take your left hand up and rotate it so if you were wearing a watch, you could actually see that watch. Now, that's gonna loop over the follower's head, and that will bring her into a cuddle position. From here, we're going to use your hands to do a loop. So basically, both hands are gonna be coming up her body this way. She'll come under. Now, all you have to do as a leader is turn to your right. And as you turn, your hands will come all the way back to where they were before, facing your partner. From there, we're ready to do our explosion. Boom. And then everybody closes their feet. Boom.
We're going to start at a count of 2. So 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, ronde 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go under on 2. He turns 3. We press together 4. We open 1. We hold 2, 3. We close. Start with your feet together. You run forward, right, left, right. Forward, left, flick, and you go back, together, forward, flick, back, together, forward, forward, left, turn, and feet apart. 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4.
From here, we're gonna go step, tap, step, tap. Now we're gonna switch our weight with a little flickaroo, and we get rock, replace, side, replace, step forward, and a turn. Now, we're gonna go forward, hook, forward, hook, forward. We gotta go forward, side, back, and then we get back, replace, forward. Put your feet apart as you hold your partner. We got a big leg back right here. Skadoosh.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, flick 1, 2, and 3, and 4, turn 1, lock 2, and 3, and 4, you go 1, and 2, back 3, and 4, lay back 1.
Let's put parts 1, 2, and 3 all together.
Very slowly with counts. 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1.
It's going to be 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1.
Hey, you want to dance this to Rain on Me by Lady Gaga, right? So click right here where you can practice to slow music, medium, and then regular speed. And if you want more cha-cha, then click right here for more free cha-cha tutorials.